At Mustache Spider, let Camel know I brought
We're supposed to be
you.
on our best behavior.
Your stream was recommended to me.
Yo, should I plant this? Yo, mustache, dude. Should I plant this garlic? Like, how do I... You know, how do I get more garlic out of this, dude?
Just peel it apart and stick it in the ground. I have like a little pot of...
Oh yes, my good old friend Mr. Cookie Philosophy brought me here via the cosmos.
ULL, give up. That garlic looking kinda sus.
Me too, Tom, me too.
Just throw it out.
Give up, dude? What do you mean? I just throw it in the ground, right? And just wait for it to grow.
Yes, over.
God damn it. Don't hit the ban, don't hit the ban. Be nice, Cake.
No, Cake, just don't be nice.
Garlic with those things are okay.
Camel, you ready to get these egg whites?
Garlics are weird, but it's fine.
I think so. I mean, I got the egg white.
It with Abino blade.
The Beano blade?
Farmer Camel.
Sugar.
Breath. 2.3.4 and allowed 2.3.4.
Yeah, regular sugar.
What kind of Italian throws out garlic?
What the hell happened to the kitchen? So much chaos.
Yo, Violet. It's you might not want to know, Violet.
At our order, if I use mine when I need, so I don't have to.
Wait, does this go into the flour, the dry mix?
No.
Or no, this goes into the egg white.
Egg white, because you whip the sugar and the egg whites together.
Yeah. We're about to whip the stiff peaks, right?
The hell is that voice?
Wait, how many grams of the sugar did you say?
60.
60. We're about to whip stiff peaks, dude. Stiff peaks.
Yes, we like things stiff here, not soft. They make pills for that.
Okay, I gotta get my whisk off the floor. Wait, is this a job for the hand mixer?
OMG, I'm ready.
Yes. Yes, hand mixer all the way.
Are you sure?
Add sugar slow as you whisk or pour it in.
Oh, I'm way past that, Cake.
Dry.
I already dumped it in, Cake.
I know you didn't just grab a whisk off the floor.
What, you want me to leave it there, Kebabs? You just want me to leave it on the floor? I need to use it.
What camera are you using? Cause when you move around it follows you.
You got the robot hand, dude.
I know.
This is not coming off the whisk, dude.
The ferrets are the cameraman's DM.
That while you clean the whisk though.
It's the baby ferret. Sokka, he controls my camera. Nick.
That's Sokka on the camera?
You're gonna be stiff armed like Crystal did if you come around this camera.
That I thought you were going to use it as his though.
Yeah.
Mommy Fire gotta get sponsored by her RoboCam.
It's kind of crispy.
I want to get a slip on.
Yep. I eat you, good to go. Nope.
Crispy.
You can't come over. You can't come over. You're naked.